Welcome to this video on how to make an LED sign like this. I made this for Average Rob, aka Zaddy. First I will explain how I came up with the design. At first I was using these fading color changing LEDs, but this didn't work because they go out of sync after a while, so I needed to come up with something different. So I ended up designing these letters with cutouts for individually addressable LEDs. These are WS2812 LEDs. It's a lot of work to wire them up by hand, but the end result is amazing. The battery is connected to the charging PCB. This also boosts the voltage to 5 volts. This is sent to the blue PCB. This sends 5 volts to the LEDs and converts it to 3.3 volts for the ESP. This button is used to change the settings, and this switch turns the power off to the LEDs. When you turn the power off, the current draw is very low and the charging PCB cuts off the voltage. That's why there is a diode to provide a voltage for the ESP to keep working so the settings don't get lost. The charging PCB also checks if the battery voltage is high enough. To change the settings, you need to press and hold the button, and it does that animation. First you can choose the brightness. If you press and hold again, you can choose what animation it does. And if you press and hold again, you can choose the speed of the animation. If you let go of the button for a while, it goes back to the animation with the settings you chose. Of course, I cannot send it to Average Rob like this, so I also made a case for the back. This has a hole for the programming pins of the ESP, also a hole for the charging port and for the reset button, and also for the on-off switch and the settings button. Here you can see the end result. A link to the code and schematic will be in the description. Now it's time to hand it over to Average Rob.
Merci, thank you very much, CS Project. I don't have any Zaddy neon signs or light signs. This is better than I would have ever expected. So, merci. Subscribe to the channel and like the video. Then I will put it above my bed and enjoy it every day. Merci.